Hello everyone, I'm Oth, Thai in the United States. I was smaller, slimmer, thinner, but not skinny. I never see myself skinny at all. When I was in Thailand, I had never noticed that myself was in a good shape because a group of my girlfriends were smaller than me. For example, my waist was about 25 to 26 inches around. My friends were between 22 to 24. I was the biggest in the group, so I never known that my body was small. I saw myself a long while when I moved to the United States and I gained. I gained after I lived here about 5 or 6 years. When I was in college, I stayed up late every night for 2 years in college to do project, and I ate donuts, bakeries, cakes. And then I found out later I gained a little until all my clothing too tight. I was wearing size small, and sometimes I purchase teenagers outfit size XL. And one day I check on my very old pictures when I was in Thailand, and when I came to the United States, I was very small. Anyway, I think what made me gain a lot, and I found out, as I told you, when I was in college and ate late at night for 2 years, donut, cake, bakery, sweet. When I finished college, I started to control my diet, less sweet, less salty, less bakery, but not stop eating. I still eat nowadays. I still eat everything, just cut amount and control to maintain my body not gain much more. Because first thing, I was upset very much, but now I'm happy. I just learn to love myself because I look at other people out there. There are many people gained and body bigger than me. They are happy. I know somebody may not, but I see many people who is, I can call fat, happy than me. And why? I look at myself in the mirror. I'm not that fat. I just gain from what I was to now. And the big problem that annoy me very much is my belly. Anyway, one day I just change my mind. I can't lose anything because I don't like to do exercising, but I do just only tiny bit. Then I control what I eat, but I don't do exercising to make myself lose fat or burn fat enough. Then I just change my mind. My thought is, why not? I cannot fit my smaller outfit, then I purchase bigger outfit and try to maintain and control what I am at that moment until today. I maintain. I try not gain more. That's it. I would like to encourage everybody, when you upset with your body, just think about what you can do and what you can, and happy with what's happening today, right now, and then look at other people who are happy or happier than you, even their body is worse like me. This is how I manage my mind to love myself more every day. Thank you for listening. Have a great time. Bye.